Good morning everybody and welcome to Brisbane, Australia. My name is Nick Jones, I'm the VP Sales for Airflite, and Airflite is a diversified company. We have multiple locations in Australia. We're into aircraft sales, maintenance, repair, overhauls, spare parts and product support. We recently signed up with Quest as dealers for Australia, New Zealand and PNG, Papua New Guinea. We're excited to be doing the first demo tour with us as the representatives here in Australia. We're very positive that the Kodiak is going to be a great utility aircraft for this part of the world with its capability to go just about anywhere. Rough strips, short strips, bumpy strips, you name it, it'll handle it. We think that once we've finished this demonstration tour, which is essentially a counterclockwise lap of Australia, we'll have a lot of prospects to be working with, and we're keen to get some more aircraft in the country. Thank you and hope to see you again soon.